In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Vids. Now, Google Vids is an AI-based video creation platform for work, and you can use it to do some storytelling. You can create marketing presentations and other forms of videos. The good thing about Google Vids is that it's from Google themselves. To access Google Vids, simply go to workspace.google.com/products/vids, or simply open a new tab and go to vids.new, and it's going to bring you to the same page. So the choice is all yours. Now, when you come to Vids, you see you have a couple of options here. The first thing is that you can create a landscape format video, a portrait video, or a square video. And this is if you want to use it for social media, and this for other platforms like YouTube. You can convert files. You can turn presentations into videos with AI generated voiceovers. You can record yourself with your screen or both. You can upload media. You can use templates. You can use storyboards. And if you're on the premium plan, you can use Google VO 3.1. And you can also create a talking avatar, an AI talking avatar. Now, you can start with a blank canvas. And if you start with a blank canvas, you're going to see something like this. And you can start doing your recording here. You can start talking and you'll be recording your voice while you add stuff here. But I want to come back to Google Vids. I'll just come back here and I want to click on register in Vids. Now I'm back here. I just want to use this storyboards feature. So I'm going to click on that. And it's going to tell me, inform the company about the new consumer benefits, commuter benefit with offers and all of this. These are templates it gives me. But I want to tell it to use a particular document in my Google Drive to create a presentation video. I'll say, create a presentation video about the website speed optimization work done for green farm lands. So that's an actual job I did for a client's website using this document. Now, for me to be able to link any document, just click on add, and then you'll see a list of documents here. And the one I want to use is green farmlands. I'll just click on G and it shows me green farmlands speed optimization. I'll choose that and I'll click on next. It's going to go ahead and it's going to first of all give me an outline of what it's going to do. Now from this outline, I can remove some. Let's just say introduction, project goal for green farmland speed optimization, performance baseline, before grade E, after grade D, phase 1 optimization actions completed. If there are any of these which you do not think are necessary, you could remove them from here because it's quite a lengthy document. So I'm just going to, you can click on try again and it's going to redraft this outline. I'll click on try again and it's going to redraft that outline now and it's going to use different points. See, project goal, reduce load times, overview. I'll just remove this. I want the document to be short. Conclusion steps. I'll remove that. Let's just see. I remove these. I'll remove these. And let's just see, I remove this. I want it to be very short. Okay, I'll just click on next. And then it's going to prompt me to choose a template. I could choose any of these. You could choose this. You could choose this one. But since it's a technical video, I'm going to choose this one. Click on that. And it's going to show you the different slide pages or these different decks. And then I'm going to click on create the draft video. It's going to take a little bit of time while it does its thing. Now we have our video ready. So this is what we have. It's saving it. So these are the different slides it's saving. All right, let's just click to play. It's a little bit slow.
Welcome to the Green Farmlands website speed optimization recap. We're sharing the progress and next steps for improving your site's performance. We have successfully completed phase 1 of the optimization project, moving the website out of a critical performance state. The primary objective was to reduce page load times, clean up the backend, and significantly improve the user experience for everyone visiting Green Farmlands. Before we started, the website was in a critical performance failure state, scoring a grade E with only 33% performance. This meant significant lag and a poor user experience. After phase 1, we've stabilized the site to a grade D, achieving up to 70% performance. This is a substantial improvement from the start.
Now you see it says here content failed to load. Consider replacing. What I'll do is I'm just going to click on continue.
Phase 1 focused on cleaning up the application layer. Here are the key technical actions executed. We removed outdated and blocking JavaScript, deactivated unnecessary plugins to reduce CPU usage, and deleted unused themes to minimize backend clutter. We implemented smart caching for faster page loads for repeat visitors and optimized images using Smush technology to compress files without sacrificing visual quality. However, we've hit a quote performance ceiling imposed by the current hosting environment. The remaining lag is primarily due to server response times. The good news is that the site structure is now healthy, scoring 86%. The code is clean. Now we need to focus on the server. To move from an average grade D to a fast grade A or B, we must implement these critical and urgent phase 2 recommendations. First, updating to the latest stable PHP version is critical for an instant speed boost. Second, we must enforce a strict image upload policy of a maximum of 1 megabyte. The current hosting has slow time to first byte. Migrating to a high-performance WordPress host is often the single biggest factor in achieving top speeds. Certain key pages like quote/our project.
All right, I think you get the point. Now, this is already saved in Google Drive. I'm going to check my Google Drive to make sure it's saved there. You can see this is it here, Green Farmlands. I'd previously done this, so I'm just going to delete this, move to trash. I want to have this because I'm going to need it. Now, let's say we want to upload this video on YouTube. Let's go to Google Gemini. Now, while in Google Gemini, we could see, first of all, we can call up Google Drive, click on Add, and then search for Google Drive and see there is a video, or write the YouTube meta description for the video titled Green, let's see, what's the name? Green Farmlands Website Optimization. Let me copy this. I'll just click on rename. Is that here? All right, then I'll click on go. Oh, I want to change this. Let me first of all stop this. I want to change this to fast. I don't have all that time. You know what? I'm just going to reload this page. I'll copy this. So I'm going to paste this here. I'll remove this and then I'll just include that. I'll click on that. That method clearly did not work. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click here and click on add files, add from drive, and here is a video. I'm going to click on insert and I'll just paste that text there for this video. Title that. So it's going to go ahead now. Oh, it tells me it's unable to re-upload that. But you get the point, how to use Google Vids to create videos which you can upload on YouTube and make a lot of money. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and if you have a comment, post it in the comment section. God bless you. Peace.